In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to liquify the face, remove flyaway hairs, and process your image in Capture One. Start by selecting the image you want to work on in your catalog or session so all the tools apply to the correct file. With the image active, open the Retouch Faces panel. Capture One will automatically detect faces in the frame. Give it a moment to analyze, then refine the look by adjusting the available sliders. Make small, subtle changes and zoom in and out as you go. You're aiming for a gentle, natural liquify effect that refines features without warping them. Use the sliders to smooth skin, balance shine, and enhance eyes and lips with restraint. If you're working on multiple faces, switch between them in the panel and tailor the adjustments to each person. Toggle the preview on and off to check you're improving the image while keeping it believable. Next, move to the Details Tool tab and choose Spot Removal to handle stray hairs. Zoom in to 100% on areas where flyaways are most distracting, like along the hairline and against clean backgrounds. Select a small brush and paint precisely over the stray hairs. Capture One will blend the painted area using nearby pixels so short, controlled strokes usually produce the cleanest result. Follow the direction of the hair and avoid brushing across high-contrast edges like eyes, brows, and lips, which can create visible smudges. If you overdo it, undo or erase that stroke and try again with a smaller brush or shorter paint strokes. Pan slowly across the image and repeat until the flyaways no longer pull attention away from the subject. When you're ready to export, select the image or images you want to deliver. Open the Output Tool tab and go to Process Recipes. Choose an existing recipe or create a new one that fits your needs. Set your format, resolution, color space, and compression here. For example, use JPEG with sRGB and moderate compression for web use, or TIFF with a wide gamut color space for print and archival work. If you want multiple versions at once, add more than one recipe, such as a high-resolution JPEG and a web-sized JPEG, and tick all the recipes you want. Within each recipe, confirm the output location and naming so your files land exactly where you expect. When everything looks good, tick the recipes you want and click Process. Capture One will render each selected image according to the chosen settings, giving you polished, consistent results ready for delivery.